here is the WeDANK air filtration system, aimed specifically at all those marijuana smokers out there. We're gonna go ahead and kick this baby on, flip the switch in the back, go to the front, check out that pretty light show. Ooh, ah. When the colors stop, you can go ahead and hit that power button. This thing is super easy to use. When it boots up, hear that? Barely, because it's super quiet and actually really soothing to have going in the background. There are 3 levels. Clearly it gets progressively louder. I tend to just leave it in auto mode, which brings it down to that lowest level, and I find it works well for me. This puppy has a HEPA air filter in it. So not only has it been helping me with marijuana smoke in the house, but seasonal allergies and all of the fires raging outside, my breathing has been worlds better running this 24/7. So, why are we here? We are here to get rid of the smell of marijuana in our homes so we can be closet smokers if we want. That is what this O mode button is for. Who doesn't love a good O? Hit this, and you have oxygen mode for the next 30 minutes. It is brilliant. It really does help with the smell of marijuana. It does only run for 30 minutes, so you have to manually remember to go hit that button again if you want oxygen mode continuously running. Set a timer on your phone. It's not that difficult. You can also go into sleep mode, which makes it even quieter. I can't even believe that. Additionally, we have a filter button up here that lets me know there is 96% of my filter left. And after running this puppy for a month, I think that's pretty freaking cool. Apparently, there's also an hour time thing. I've never played with that. I'm sorry, I can't help you there. But I can tell you that I love this unit. 10 out of 10 recommend.